How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. In this video, I'm going to show whether we can see who actually viewed our Facebook profile or not. To know that, make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn either we can see or not. For that, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Facebook application and then log in or sign in to your Facebook account, and then select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once done, select the profile at the top of the screen and then tap on three dots at the right corner of the screen. On this page, you will get an option to turn on to professional mode. You need to simply tap on it and turn your Facebook account to the professional mode, and then you can see the option of See Dashboard. Tap on See Dashboard where you can see different insights of your Facebook account, the performance, and many more. So let's select the reach option which is underneath the performance. And as you can see that there is two reach, that means that two accounts has viewed my Facebook profile. But Facebook does not give that option to see who actually viewed our Facebook profile due to the different terms and conditions of Facebook. As the privacy settings of Facebook do not allow us to view who actually saw our Facebook profile, but we can see the number of people who reached our Facebook profile. So from the media based on reach, there is 0% followers and 100% non-followers. That means that the account that has viewed our Facebook profile is the non-followers. But on different kinds of videos, you might get different kinds of website to see who actually viewed the Facebook profile, but it is not legal. So try it on your own risks. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do share, like, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.